Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then we'll go to the passenger side here and look for this reservoir. This will be your coolant reservoir. So on the sides here, you can see there's like a max level. It's kind of over here. So you don't want to fill all the way to the top. This is designed to have some air gap in here. And you want to work with this system while it's cool. Since this liquid can sometimes get to a boil, you don't want pressurized poison liquid to shoot out on you. But that said, to fill it, just pop this open. Check the same color coolant as well. Ideally, you want to add the same color and the same type and brand of coolant you've added before, ideally as well. Best not to mix and match. But you fill up as needed, and then close this back up when you're done. And I double check around your reservoir here for any cracks or leaks. Same with any lines leading to and from. And then around your radiator, if they get too hot, they can get cracks sometimes. One way to look for some of that too is while the motor's on, look around your engine bay and underneath the car for any puddling that might form. And a way to tell that apart from any water condensation is, for one, the coolant puddle should have a slight color to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it, and you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have like a glove on and you feel it, it should feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.